Beloved Prime Creator, what a miracle this is, and that we are a part of it, the I Am. By our awareness of our I Am presence, we thank you for investing us with functions to take action for what we see, hear, and feel, to not be in keeping with our divinity. Blessed are we for these gifts of conscious awareness, and we thank you for entrusting us to use these gifts to our best abilities. For we know it is about awareness of source, about honoring and defending that against those who choose evil over goodness, and choosing that which sustains life. May it be so, and so it is.
Thank you, Charlie.
My pleasure. This is an open letter to the Oregon sheriffs and deputies. You, the sheriffs, along with your deputies, are the frontline facilitators of the people's unalienable rights to live our lives lawfully and in peace, safety, and happiness. Numerous requests, suggestions, and demands have been mailed and emailed, and in discussions face-to-face over recent months and years by the people on Oregon who have joined a social compact to remedy the problems governance has created and imposes on us unlawfully. Statutes and ordinances are not constitutional laws, nor should anyone breaking those de facto color of law laws be considered a criminal. We follow the Oregon Constitution and the United States of America's Constitution, both circa 1859. Our bona fides are in order, and we acknowledge and abide by the laws of nature and of nature's God. We expect the same of you and your deputies. Here's a short clip as an example.
Our God-given rights. And it says when government becomes destructive to these ends, meaning when they go above and beyond trying to secure our liberties and trying to take them, it's the right of the people to alter or abolish that government, either by voting or ultimately, God forbid, to use our Second Amendment rights to protect ourselves from tyranny. And I'm just asking all of y'all to unanimously join our sister counties of Wilkes, Surrey, Stokes, Lincoln, and Cherokee and get on board with this thing and publicly demonstrate to us that you're willing to uphold and honor the same oath I took when I put my hand on God's word and held my other hand up to him and swore that I'd give my life to defend that Constitution. And I'm not trying to be disrespectful, but regardless of what y'all do or don't do, I'm not going to enforce an unconstitutional law. I'm going to protect.
Our jury pool and our Article 3, Amendment 7, Common Law Civilian Court of Record knows that we are men and women with our progeny on the land and soil, aka dirt, on Oregon, not some dead to the corporation entities as we are treated. Our unalienable rights are increasingly trammeled by the heavy boot of authority that has taken every facet of our common law and made it color of law. Sheriffs are supposed to be the first line of support for the people, for us. Yet in 6 of our court's 10 ballot issues put before our grand jury, our court now finds it necessary to honor the resulting true bills with an arraignment and a petite trial holding all 36 sheriffs, along with the DPSST, accountable for failing to acknowledge the seriousness of their failure in providing a proper oath to the proper constitutions, circa 1859, with God included. Then you would see that the 6 issues are serious and solvable without the unnecessary belligerence and or harm that continues. Were this to occur, that our demands be acknowledged and that all of you willingly work with us for remedy, there would be a hospitable and mutually supportive relationship that would replace the current hostility and danger, even harm, done to your fellow Oregonians. You, the sheriffs, along with your deputies, are the frontline facilitators of the people's lawful, unalienable rights to live our lives in peace, safety, and happiness. Thank you.
They do not want to let go of this. They do not intend on losing here. And we do not intend giving it back to them.
And then the bullets started flying. Then he jumps out of the car, and he's got both his hands up.
And he got out of the car, and he had his hands in the air. He's like, "Just shoot me then. This is what you want, just shoot me." And they did. They shot him dead. With his hands in the air, and I saw it. I swear to God. He was just walking with his hands in the air. And they shot him. And they shot him dead, and then after he was down on the ground, they shot him 3 more times.